What's going on, guys? Today we're doing buffalo chicken thighs. No, not chicken wings, not chicken breast. We're not some type of a peasant who's either gonna overpay for the wings or buy dry chicken breast. We're gonna use chicken thighs. Two reasons: amazing flavor, amazing price. For today's recipe, I'm gonna use Frank's red hot sauce and a little bit of fish sauce. Now for me, I like it more salty. I'm gonna use about half a cup. If you don't like it salty, add about 2 tablespoons. You're still gonna get the flavor without added saltiness. We're gonna start with our chicken thighs. The ones I'm using are with skin and bone. What you want to do is estimate how much chicken you have and how much marinade you're gonna need to marinate that chicken. For me, I got 8 chicken thighs. I'm gonna use about 4 cups, more or less 4 cups of Frank's buffalo sauce and 1/4 cup of fish sauce. When you're putting your chicken into the marinade, make sure you do 1 piece at a time so you can coat it evenly. After putting every piece, mix it up, add another piece, mix it up, and so on until you're done. This will ensure that you got marinade in between each and every piece of chicken. Next, you want to cover the container and put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, if you can overnight. Today's chicken I'm gonna smoke on a pellet grill. However, you can grill it in direct heat or bake it in the oven if that's all you got. Obviously, you're not gonna get the grilled or smoky flavor, but it's still good from the oven. Set your cooking temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your chicken on a cooking rack. Start with skin side up. About 20 minutes later, flip the chicken over, but before you flip it, pick up the pieces, drop them in your container, mix it up, put them back on the grill, skin side down. After another 15 to 20 minutes, flip the chicken over again. However, make sure before you pick up the chicken, wiggle it a little bit, then lift it. This will prevent ripping the skin as much as possible. As you could see, I got 8 pieces of chicken, only 1 of them tore. Reapply the marinade, rearrange the chicken on a cooking rack, continue cooking until you reach around 170, 175 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. Make sure when you check the temperature, don't hit the bone. The bone will always get hotter than the meat itself. Once you reach about 170 to 175, this is the last time you're gonna coat your chicken. If you want, you can arrange it on a cooking sheet, put some garnish on it before you put it back into your grill. This makes it easier so you don't have to work over heat source. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some dried parsley for color and fresh ground black pepper for flavor. Arrange your chicken on a cooking rack. Now this is crucial. Whatever touched that chicken or the sauce up to this point, get rid of it. Get brand new utensils, brand new containers. Do not cross-contaminate your chicken with anything that touched it when it was raw. Once your chicken reaches 185 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, it's safe to eat. Obviously, not every piece is the same size, so make sure you check each and every piece if it's fully cooked. Some of them might come off the grill faster than the others. Let it rest in the oven. Like I said, I love to use a gas oven with the oven not being on to rest my meats. Prevents me wasting foil to wrap the meat and keeps the nice and crispy outside of the meat. After the chicken thighs rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, you're ready to eat. You can plate it with some rice or potatoes. For me, I'm gonna make sandwiches out of it. That's a future video. Now, for the bone, make sure you keep the bones. Put them in a Ziploc, freeze them. We're gonna make something else in the future from it. If you like the recipe, subscribe for more. Have a good day. See you on the next one.